Alright, so this evening what we're going to do is change the CV axle. Whenever I get it off, I'll bring it over and show you, but the boot is busted right here. And I have a new one. It's right here, ready to go in. So, hope you enjoy the show. This nut is a 30 millimeter, just in case you're ever working on a Fox. Look at that brass punch. Might need that. So what you're going to want to do is use a brass punch, drift punch, that is just as big as your axle. And that'll keep you from mushrooming the end of your axle, so it will actually go back through the hub. And it's as easy as that. So here you can see the boot is busted, the bearings are exposed, and they're wore out. Whenever you go around the curve, this thing would make a bunch of racket. This new one has a nice brand new unbroken boot, and this other end is nice and solid as well. This side goes to your transmission transaxle, and this is the side that goes into your hub. It came with a new nut, which we are very, very thankful for. So, and then you just take it and slide it back in. Now I'm going to use my brass drift punch as a hammer so I don't hurt this as I'm tapping on it. And how that works is the brass is softer than the metal I'm hitting. So the brass will get dented before it will hurt the steel. And once I'm in far enough to get my nut on just a bit, a few threads, a few turns, I'm going to very gently use my impact to pull it on it. Then once I'm in far enough, I was using the old nut, by the way. Once I'm in far enough, I'll put the washer back on, put the new nut on, and tighten her down. And I was watching to make sure how far in the axle shaft went, because when it stops, that's when I want to stop. And then give it a few more hits to make sure that the nut is tight against it. And there we are. The CV axle is changed and ready to go back in.